So this is the point. You need cholesterol to survive. As a man, you need cholesterol to survive. There is no types of cholesterol. There's no bad and good cholesterol. Cholesterol is just one. That LDL that they call the bad cholesterol and that HDL that they call good cholesterol, those are just carriers. LDL carries cholesterol from the liver to the system to fix inflammation. HDL carries cholesterol from the system back to the liver. Okay, the liver uses it to make different things. So the liver cannot make a substance that will actually harm you. So therefore, cholesterol has never been a problem. And remember, cholesterol is used to make brain cells because 80% of brain cells are cholesterol. And also they require cholesterol for energy in form of ketone bodies. Number 2, cholesterol is used to form your skin and vitamin D. You need it. Cholesterol is a fat that is essential for you to absorb fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. Cholesterol is used to form testosterone, so you cannot have an erection without testosterone. Cholesterol is used to form a hormone that is called aldosterone that actually is used to actually help you control blood pressure. So when you have high blood pressure, this hormone tells the kidneys to excrete salt and water and your blood pressure falls, and vice versa. Cholesterol is actually used to form your muscle tissue. So if you have problems with cholesterol, you have problems with the muscles. And also the nerve covering that is called myelination. So that covering on the nerve, the insulation is actually cholesterol. And all your cells are made of a lipid bilayer. That is another cholesterol. So you cannot survive without cholesterol. Please sink that in. Don't let your doctor lie to you that cholesterol is a problem. Now, when you use cholesterol-lowering drugs, example is atorvastatin or rosuvastatin, what you're doing is you're going to block your liver from making cholesterol. And your liver makes cholesterol every single day. You require it. That's why I tell you to eat 6 to 8 eggs every day without doubt, with no doubt. Eat 6 to 8 eggs a day. Eggs will never make you fat. What makes you fat is the carbohydrates. So, for example, if you take a drug like atorvastatin that will actually block your synthesis of cholesterol, do you know what will happen? You will lower the production of cholesterol from the liver. And then you will end up in cholesterol deficiency. You will start having a very bad skin, a sagging skin and stuff. You will end up in low vitamin D, so vitamin D deficiency. You will also have vitamin A, D, E, and K deficiency because they are fat-soluble vitamins. You will start losing memory. You start having nerve problems and numbness. You start having hypertension. Imagine taking a cholesterol-lowering drug and end up getting hypertension because you've affected the hormone that controls blood pressure. You'll end up getting erectile dysfunction because as cholesterol goes down, testosterone goes down. And guess what is going to happen? That one drug is going to give them another 7 drugs for treatment of side effects of just one drug. Now, cholesterol is not a problem. Cholesterol comes in to fix what sugar, seed oils, and wheat products did to you. So drop those foods and enjoy your cholesterol-rich foods. Because if they tell you to drop cholesterol foods, your blood cholesterol levels are supposed to normalize. But have you ever realized, as you drop those foods, your cholesterol levels are always high? And then now they have to give you a drug. I expected, if you're telling me to drop cholesterol-rich foods, my blood cholesterol will stabilize. How comes they're going up? Because when you stop eating cholesterol-rich foods, your liver produces more cholesterol. Okay, because it has to balance that input and output. If you eat more eggs, the liver produces less cholesterol. So don't buy that nonsense. They're actually making a prescription for other drugs. So you drop cholesterol-rich foods, and then you end up in erectile dysfunction. You need the blue pill. You end up in hypertension. You need other drugs for hypertension. You lose memory. You need another drug for memory and dementia. You end up having muscle wasting. You need a drug for that, the collagen tablets. You end up losing vitamin D. So you need vitamin D supplements. How will you ever survive?